Hey there, today we are going to go over late fees. So we will cover how you can enable them within your ChargeOver account, what they look like on your invoices, and how you can exempt a specific customer or a specific invoice from a late fee. So first things first here would be to enable late fees. To do that, from the dashboard, you would go to your settings, and then on the left, you'd go to features. I already have late fees enabled, so you'll see it here. But if you didn't, you'd simply go to more features, find late fees, and you would toggle this first option to yes. Once you have late fees enabled, there's a bunch of other options here. The first one is what you would like to call your late fee. So in my account, I'm calling it a late payment fee, but if you wanted to call it something else, you could. I have my account set so the first late fee is added when an invoice is 15 days past due. And then I have the late fee added to the invoice that is actually overdue. If you wanted, you could have it so we're creating a new separate invoice just for that late fee. But again, I have my account set here, so we're just adding it to that existing one, that existing invoice that is overdue. You also can have it so we're adding multiple late fees if you'd like. I currently have my account set, so we're just adding one. Now, if you wanted, you could mark your late fees as taxable. You could have an external key assigned to them. You also could have it so we're syncing this line item, so the late fee line item, to QuickBooks or Xero by a different item name. And now down here at the bottom, probably the most important setting here is what it actually is the late fee. So if you wanted it to be a flat dollar amount, you could set that here. I currently have my account set so that it's going to be a percentage. So it's a 5% late fee that is automatically tacked on 15 days after the invoice is overdue. So now let's go check out an invoice that I have a late fee on. So in ChargeOver, this is what it would look like. You can see I have this Advantage product here. Here is my late payment fee that was automatically added. It is 5% of the invoice amount that is automatically tacked on. If we want to see what this looks like from the customer perspective with like a default invoice, we could do that here too. And you can see that we are adding it as a separate line item on the invoice here as well. So now let's say that we have a customer that we want to exempt just that specific customer from a late fee. So I have this customer pulled up here. You would find that customer that you want to exempt. You would go to edit, more advanced options, and you just check this box to exempt the customer from late fees. Now going forward, any invoices created for this customer that go past due are not going to be assessed late fees for this customer. Now, if you wanted, you can also exempt just specific invoices. So if we go to this invoice here for this customer, and again, you just go to edit it, more advanced options, and right here. So invoices exempt from late fees, you'd flip that to yes and hit save, and then late fees will never be added to this invoice. Awesome. So today we went over how to enable late fees, what they look like on invoices, and how you can exempt certain customers and invoices. If there are any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.